So I wanted to make bagel bites, you know, these things, but I didn't want to do the regular pepperoni or sausage. And then ding, Big Mac Bagel Bites. If you like Big Macs, you are going to love these Big Mac Bagel Bites. Let's go ahead and get started. I have a pound of ground beef here. I don't need all of that. I'm going to use the extra for something else. But I'm just going to brown this up and crumble it, and I will drain off any excess grease. I just seasoned it with some salt, pepper, and onion powder. Okay, let's go ahead and make our Big Mac sauce. I will leave the list of the ingredients down below in the description box for you. I have a half a cup of mayonnaise. We're going to need 2 tablespoons of sweet relish. You will want to drain the juice from it. A half a teaspoon both of garlic powder and onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. A half a tablespoon of yellow mustard. Half a tablespoon of white vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. We're going to use that to thicken up our sauce a little bit. So all we need to do now is go ahead and add all our ingredients and mix it all up. Okay, now we need to get our mini bagels ready. I got these at Walmart. We're going to put these in the air fryer first for a couple of minutes so they can get a head start and get crispy, because it's not going to take long for the cheese to melt. So these are already pre-cut. I'm just going to pull them apart. Like so. That little wonkiness in. I'm just going to go ahead and pop these in my air fryer basket. I am not going to add any oil to these. All right, let's move on over to the air fryer real quick. Okay, we are going to go 3 minutes on 400 degrees. Our 3 minutes is up. Okay, we are ready to make our Big Mac Bagel Bites. Okay, I have one of these assembled already. I have some shredded cheese here. I'm using a mixture of mozzarella cheese and a mild cheddar cheese. We take one of our bagels, put our Big Mac sauce on there. Spread it around evenly. Now I'm going to take some of our ground beef. And our cheese. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish these up and I'll be right back. Okay, I have all these ready to go. This is going to be good, you guys. Okay, I got this temperature set for 400 degrees and we are going to go 2 minutes, and let's hope my cheese does not blow everywhere. Okay, our 2 minutes is up. All right, these are ready for the next step. Okay, I am excited. Okay, we are ready to put on our shredded lettuce. Just going to go ahead and do one of these. And of course, we need a dill pickle. And then I'm going to take some of our Big Mac sauce and put it over the top. All right. Oh, wow. That sauce does taste like Big Mac sauce. Oh my gosh. This tastes like a Big Mac. And I ain't kidding. That is so good. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.